All right, I'm back. I love this Thrive mascara. This is only one coat. Do you see? Can you see that? It's beautiful. It's only one coat. I like the Thrive Lash Extension Mascara. It's a tubing mascara. Some women don't. The Merit is on my lower lashes just because it's easier. I'm not telling anyone to get two mascaras, but Merit is also a tubing mascara. And then last week I used the Double Extend by L'Oreal. This side is a white primer for lengthening and thickening, and this is the tubing mascara on this side. Can you tell I like tubing mascara? I love it because it doesn't come off. It doesn't flake, it doesn't smudge, because tubing mascara only comes off with warm to hot water removal, and they slide off your lashes like little tubes. It makes a mess in your sink, but I don't care. I'd rather have a mess in my sink than a mess on my face. I haven't had a smudge of mascara in really the 2 years I've been using it. So I love it. It's worth trying. It's worth trying. See if maybe get, an under $10 tubing mascara by L'Oreal Double Extend and see if you like that concept. But in order to get it this thick and long, like the lash extensions, you really need to use the white side. If you just want a really feathery, soft lash, just use this side. If you want it to look more built up like this, look at that. It looks like I have fake lashes on. And sometimes when I wear the lash extensions, women ask me if I have fake lashes on, and I don't. It just looks so pretty. Okay. We're gonna do a red lip. We're gonna do it differently than the American way. I am gonna do a natural lip liner because for me, it'll keep the red from running. If you love to wear red or hot pinks or corals, but you've shied away from it because it goes up into all the lip lines, go watch my video on lip wax. It's literally mortician's wax. And if you put it all around your lips, your lipstick stays in place. Okay? So I'm just kind of feathering that out with my finger. I don't want a really polished look. I feel like I need more bronzer up here. I don't want a polished look. I'm gonna use the Mob Beauty red lipstick because I love it. It's, I don't know if you guys know Mob Beauty, but it's clean, it's vegan, and they make reusable containers. So you buy the lipstick once and then you just buy the refills. Isn't that so smart? Okay, and now, oh, I think this is their sheer one. This isn't the one I wanted, but oh, it's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I wasn't gonna do that. I was gonna do more of a Russian red, but I grabbed their sheer red instead of their matte red. But guess what? I'm not mad about this. This is beautiful. I love this. And now I'm kind of smushing it together because I don't want to have that perfect line. Isn't that pretty? What color is that? That is Mob Beauty. Gosh darn it. They put black on black. So I keep telling them, Mob, I can't read this. M21. Oh, well, I wanted a Russian red and I grabbed the wrong one, but that is so pretty. We are gonna leave it because it's a sheer red. That is sheer red. That is so pretty. Last week when I wore this Chanel balm, I don't know where it is right now. I'm a mess, but when I wore this Chanel balm and I kind of smudged it, I felt, it's gonna sound so weird, I felt so beautiful. I didn't feel like I looked all like perfectly drawn on. I felt sexy. And I don't use that word ever. I don't like the word sexy. I don't strive to be sexy. I don't think women should strive to be sexy. I think we should do makeup to make ourselves feel good. And if we get a compliment from our husband or boyfriend or a man on the street, we'll take it. But I don't do makeup for men. I do it for me. And when other women compliment me, that makes me feel so good. I care more about what women think than men think. But when I had kind of a smudgy mouth last week and kind of smoky, smudgy eyes, I just loved it. Like, look at this smudginess all around my eye, but it doesn't look bad. It looks gorgeous. Oh, you know what we didn't get? We didn't get my sunspot. We're gonna get my sunspot. And then we're done. And we're gonna, I'm gonna do setting spray just because I love setting spray. But I have a bunch of veins up the side too. But anyway, what I really wanted to get was just sunspots. See how that's gone? Isn't that bronzer pretty? Okay, now I'm just nitpicking my face, so we're not gonna do that. Okay, I don't have my Charlotte Tilbury spray, which is my favorite setting spray, but I do have the Milk Hydro Grip spray. If you have to keep a mask on, woo, let me tell you, last Saturday I went out all day, I wore a mask, I did not use a setting spray, I was in a huge hurry last week. My mask was filthy, but if I use a good setting spray, I can wear a mask all day, and the only place where I have color in the mask is like right on the inside of the nose. That's how well setting sprays work. They really work great. So what do you think? I love this look, just kind of a bronzed skin. You can still see my sheen. It's not heavy coverage. I barely used any of the Seint 3D. The bronzer's in my crease. I smoked with my finger some of the liners, so I just have a smudgy line around the eye. Nothing under the eye. Everything you see under my eye is my natural shadow, which the French embrace. They love it. My lips go outside of the line a little bit, but it looks so cool. I love it. My brows are done with a tinted brow gel and not like a super penciled in look. What else can I say? I don't know. I think that's it for now. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want more content for mature women. And I will keep coming back. Like I said, I'll keep coming back, and I will use different products to achieve different French looks. I think my next French look will be a little bit more of a smoky French eye and then a true matte red lip. I think that will be my next one, and I'll probably use NARS for that. But when I'm asked what my favorite makeup is, I just have to let you know, that's like asking a mom who her favorite kid is, okay? Yes, maybe you're kind of partial to one, you would never admit it, but you know, maybe there's that one child you're a little bit more partial to, but you love them all the same. I love Maybelline. I love Bare Minerals, that they're clean but also high luxury. I love NARS. I worked for them in 2003, and I absolutely love the quality. I'm crazy about Charlotte Tilbury. Most of my pro kit is her eyeshadows as well as Mob Beauty eyeshadows. I absolutely love Charlotte Tilbury. I, in a million years, never thought I would try Seint. I've seen women use it for years. I wasn't remotely interested. And then I got hooked on Demi because as a professional makeup artist, the color correcting system made sense. And the waxes made sense because remember, I come from the French line La Mac Pro. And then I thought, well, if I'm going to sell Demi and help women with Demi, then I probably should start trying their foundations, contours, bronzers. I love their shadows. I haven't even used those on camera yet. It's an exceptional line and so affordable. So if you need a free color match, reach out to me, michellespieler@gmail.com. I will put the La Mac Pro for all of my friends outside of the US. And I think that's it for now. I'll see you next time.